now I'm about to go meet up with a guy. He hit me up earlier. He's got a nice Subaru. He's doing a lot of work on it himself. Wants to do a photo shoot with a bike in his car, so he hit me up, and I told him I was down. I'm gonna try to meet up with him real fast before the sun goes down. Hopefully he can get some good shots. And I'll also drop his name in the description, so y'all should go follow him. He's on TikTok, he's on Instagram, so just give him a follow, man. Just show some support. I think he picked a pretty good spot. Leaves are falling. It's a nice little spot. I think a lot of people come out here and take photos. This will be the first time that I've been on this road for some photos, but I see him down there right now, about to set something up for him. My boy Subaru talking, man, talking.
You making a video?
Yeah. All right, so we made it to the spot. Got my boy Subaru. I'll drop his link. Got Nina right there, looking sexy. She could have been cleaned up a little better, but it is what it is. Yeah, this is a nice little area, man, here in Bowling Green to take photos. And I've been here about 6 years, but it's the first time I've been here, so